My higher purpose is to pay forward. That's why I took up law. Yung tulong na nakukuha ko from the College of Law and from the Adamson University, I want to pay it forward through giving legal aid service to the marginalized sector. Ako si Ax at ito ang aking kwentong classmate. Bago po ako pumasok sa Adamson University, isa na akong working student. Nagtrabaho ko as a service crew sa isang fast food restaurant. And then, nung nakaipon ako ng pambili ng motorsiklo, ayan, bumili ako ng motor, tapos pumasok ako as a delivery rider sa isang ride-hailing app. Habang nag-aaral ako, nagtatrabaho rin ako. One time, na-picturean ako ng isa sa mga kapwa ko delivery rider, tapos in-upload niya sa social media. Nung panahon na yon, sobrang init, sobrang usok no ng kalsada, tapos na-picturean niya ako na nag-aaral. Habang naka-delivery uniform, habang dala ko yung delivery bag ko, nag-viral siya sa social media. And then, I've got a lot of support no sa Adamson community. No, binigyan nila ako ng laptop. Yung other faculty nag-provide ng financial assistance because during that time po din kasi na-stroke din yung father ko. And then ako lang po talaga sa family namin yung kumikita that time. Ako yung nagpa-hospital sa father ko, ako yung bumili ng mga gamot niya, tapos nag-aaral pa yung bunso kong kapatid. Ako rin yung nag-provide for our internet connection sa bahay. After 2 years, graduate ako. And ayun na, yung after 3 days, nung nagkaroon ng mga articles about me, the Adamson College of Law Dean, si Dean Ada Abad, personally called me na nalaman niya daw yung story ko, nalaman niya na gusto ko mag-law, and she encouraged me to enroll in Adamson University College of Law with scholarship. Sa College of Law, we have this JD program, Juris Doctor program. And magkakaroon pa po kami ng mga susunod pa na magkaroon ng mga developments. We have this upcoming dual degree, Masters in Law Studies, and JD, of course, magkasama po sila. Good thing about it is Adamson University is only one of the few universities na nag-offer po ng refresher course program para sa mga gusto pang makapasa ng bar and kailangan no, ng refresher course. Sabi nila, pag mag-aaral ka ng abogasya, mahal daw. Pero hindi po yung totoo kasi sa Adamson University College of Law, we have this affordable tuition with the world-class quality of education. In Adamson College of Law, no, meron din kami mga scholarship programs. Tulad po sa akin, isa po akong grantee ng ADU Access Fund. Ayun po yung scholarship na nagpapaaral sa akin ngayon. Ang kailangan lang po is mag-aral mabuti and mapasa lang lahat ng subjects. And there's no condition to that. From the previous years, ang passing rate po ng Adamson College of Law sa bar exam is always above the national passing rate. And I'm really glad about that because nagkakaroon ako ng confidence sa sarili ko na someday I will also be part of those bar takers from Adamson University who passed. Because of the competence, because of the quality of education that Adamson College of Law is teaching us. Nung una, hindi nila alam yung classmate, no? Hindi nila alam. So, nung tinawag ko yung isa sa mga student rin, no, na bagong enroll lang, even if we're not blackmates, tinawag ko siya classmate. Sabi niya, uy, magkaklase ba tayo? Sabi ko, hindi, ano lang yan. Talagang yan yung culture natin in Adamson University. Kahit hindi tayo magka-blackmate, kahit hindi tayo magkaklase, kahit sa isang subject, we can always call each other classmates. Yung Adamson University, siya yung nagbukas ng pinto ng mga oportunidad para sa akin. They provided all the support na kailangan ko po. The Adamson University won't leave you behind. So dahil sa Adamson University, ako yung naging first college graduate ng aming pamilya. I'm Francis Janax Valerio and I'm a proud Adamson classmate. Classmate, dito ka na sa ADU.